Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on Sammy the Spider again. Listen as I read the story, Sammy the Spider, and try to read along with me. Sammy the Spider crawled slowly up the tree. He had been trying all morning to spin a beautiful web for his mother. Her birthday was tomorrow, and he wanted to make her something special. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't get it right. The first time he tried, the web was too crooked. The next time he tried, it was too tiny. The last time he tried, it got all tangled. "I give up," Sammy cried. "I'll never make the perfect web for my mother's present." Just then, Sammy's friend Willie the worm came inching by. "What's wrong, Sammy?" he asked. "I can't make the perfect web for my mother's birthday present," Sammy replied. "That's okay," Willie said. "I think she will like any present that you give her because she loves you." "You're right," Sammy said. He tried one more time to spin a web for his mom. He made the words, "I love you," in the middle of it. It was not perfect, but it was the perfect gift for his mom. All right, boys and girls, let's look at the questions that we're going to work on today. We're going to use our blue crayon, our red crayon, and our green crayon to mark the story to show where we're getting the answer. Okay, with your blue crayon, I want you to look in the story and find where it tells you what is Sammy trying to do. Find the sentence in the story and color it blue. Then write the answer to tell me what is Sammy trying to do. Press pause while you do that. When you're ready for the next question, press play. Okay, get your red crayon. Now we're going to look for why does Sammy want to give up? Look in the story. Look for the words give up and see if you can find out why Sammy wants to give up. Color the sentence with your red crayon, then write your answer on the line. Press pause while you do that, then press play when you're ready for the last question. Okay, use your green crayon. What advice did Willie give to Sammy? Look in the story. What did Willie say to Sammy that made Sammy see that his present for his mom would be okay? Find the sentence, color it green, then write your answer on the line. Great job today, boys and girls. I'll be around to listen to you read, so make sure you're practicing reading Sammy the Spider.